I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a Steam family. At the end of this video, I'll explain the rules associated with a Steam family. Step 1. Open the Steam app on your desktop computer and then click Steam in the list of options along the top of your Steam home screen. Click Settings in this menu. Your Steam settings window opens. Step 2. Click Family in the list of options on the left side of this window. Step 3. Click Create or Join a Steam Family in this window. The Family Management screen opens. Step 4. Click Create a Family. The next screen prompts you to enter a name for your Steam family. Step 5. Enter a name for your Steam family and then click Create. You've successfully created your Steam family. You can click Invite a Member to start inviting people to your Steam family. Some things to keep in mind. You can invite up to 6 people to your Steam family. All members must be in the same country and each member must use their own Steam login. Not all games are shareable through a Steam family. Users can't join multiple Steam families, and there's a cooldown period after you leave a family. And multiple members can only play the same game if multiple copies of that game are owned. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.